Top stocks in news: Concor, Ola Electric, NTPC Green, PB Fintech, Railtel, Aditya Birla and Dilip Buildcon. Stocks including L&T, Wipro, BHEL, Dr. Reddy's, HPCL, Zydus Life, Concor, PB Fintech, Ola Electrical, Railtel, NTPC Green and more will be in the spotlight on Thursday, 30th October. Quarterly results today: ITC, Cipla, NTPC, Hyundai Motor India, Swiggy, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India, Aditya Birla Capital, Adani Power, Bandhan Bank, Dabur India, DLF, Indian Energy Exchange, Lodha Developers, United Spirits, Manappuram Finance, Motilal Oswal Financial Services, Mphasis and Welspun Corp are among the companies that will release their quarterly results today. 1. Container Corporation of India. The state-run logistics player has signed an MoU with the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority, JNPA, to collaborate on the development and management of common rail handling operations for all upcoming container terminals at the proposed Vadhavan port. 2. PB Fintech. The new age insurance aggregator's net profit jumped 164.6% YoY to 134.9 crore rupees, while revenue increased 38.2% YoY to 1,613.6 crore rupees for the July to September 2025%. It also turned EBITDA positive, coming in at 97.6 crore rupees. 3. NTPC Green Energy. The renewable energy player reported a 132% YoY jump in the net profit at 88 crore rupees, while revenue surged 21.5% YoY to 612.3 crore rupees for the July to September 2025 period. EBITDA was up 26% YoY to 529.6 crore rupees, while margins came in at 86.5% for the quarter. 4. Ola Electric Mobility. The pure-play EV company has received an investigation report from the Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA, directing it to provide comments thereon within a period of 7 days. The CCPA has also scheduled a hearing on 10th November 2025. 5. Railtel Corporation of India. The state-run railway player reported a 4.7% YoY to 76 crore rupees, while revenue increased 12.8% to 951.4 crore rupees in the September 2025 quarter. EBITDA was up 19.4% YoY to 154.4 crore rupees, while margins improved to 16.2%. 6. Aditya Birla Capital. The leading NBFC company has made an investment of 382.5 crore rupees on a rights basis in Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company. There is no change in the percentage shareholding of Aditya Birla Capital, and Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company continues to be a subsidiary of the company. 7. Dilip Buildcon. The infrastructure and construction company has received a subcontract worth 307.08 crore rupees from ISC Projects in the Chakradharpur division of the South Eastern Railway. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.